and a useful display. Knobs, a magnetic metric imperial ruler. What is it? Well, this is Nomad-E. The Nomad-E low-profile mechanical keyboard is designed to be robust, beautiful, and reliable. Available in 4 colorways: graphite, clock, atomic, and atomic purple. It features dual layout ISO and ANSI. It's mounted on custom tuned atomic MX Gateron hot-swappable mechanical switches. What really makes Nomad-E special, it is included 0.9 inches IPS display, which comes loaded with 3 widgets: a Pomodoro timer, a Tamagotchi, and a clock, but also with a third-party widget. At $380, the work Louder Nomad-E is a bit pricey. However, it's a good investment for anyone looking to improve their productivity.